Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage retirement funds with Rowe Price detailed guide step by step clearly. Rowe Price. First, visit the Rowe Price website to create an account if you don't have one. Find the Open an Account section on the homepage. Fill out the required personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Choose the type of retirement account you wish to open, like an IRA or a 401k. After submitting your application, you will receive a confirmation email. Next, log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Investment Options tab. Explore the various retirement funds Rowe Price offers, such as target date funds or equity and bond funds. Use the filters to narrow down choices based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Review the performance history and fees associated with each fund. Decide on the amount you wish to invest in your chosen fund. Once you have selected a fund, proceed to the Contributions section. Choose your funding method, which may include bank transfer or direct deposit. Enter the amount you wish to contribute and confirm your choice. Keep an eye on your investment by regularly logging into your account. Utilize the available tools and resources for portfolio tracking and analysis. Check for any rebalancing requirements periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Consider setting up automatic contributions to simplify your investment process. If necessary, consult with a Rowe Price advisor for personalized guidance. Make it a habit to review your retirement strategy annually to ensure it aligns with your long-term goals. Stay informed on market trends to make timely adjustments as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your retirement funds with Rowe Price. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.